Bryant Pond?
Bryant Pond?
Bryant Pond? Thank you. Operator? Okay, I'll ring 12. Operator?
Give me Alice Johnson, please.
Did they answer? I'll try it again. Give him that message. You have a message to call a Norway number, too. 743-8002. Operator?
What are you ringing to? Thank you.
Did she answer? Okay.
Bryant Pond?
That's busy. Operator?
137, please.
137. Sorry, they're not answering. Thank you. Thank you. Bryant Pond?
Have you guys got any pieces left?
Well, we have a few. Super. Did you tell them their number? Okay, make sure to tell them to ring off because they're on a party line. Operator? Operator? Hello?
Hello? 56-311.
Oh, 56 Okay. 11. Thank you. I'm still trying to get that to ring. Just a second.
Are you waiting?
Operator? Thank you.
Bryant Pond?
Thank you.
Are you waiting?
No, I'm still here. Hang on. Operator. Operator. Hello there. Hi. Did you want to speak to somebody? Okay, hold on a second. Let me connect you with one of our one of the folks here. Hang on. To this line right here. Go ahead and talk.
I'm not talking to you.
Nope.
Yes. Would you like to speak to somebody?
Operator?
On Tuesdays.
Operator?
Well, 20 years I'm retired. It was, fun job.
Operator? Operator?
And they offered really...
You know what to do? Hang up the phone.
Operator.
Hang up the phone. And we're going to dial 0.
So that telephone is directly connected to me and the dial doesn't.
It's ringing in right there.
I never had a job like
Hang
that.
on.
It's 534.
Yes.
Job like that.
Yes, yes.
I've heard of people, excuse me, thinking enough on the job. I've never had a job like that. Which is good. Thank you.
That's for you.
How'd you come to these?
Look.
Why don't
213.
See if somebody will come. Yeah, just...
213, you said, right?
somebody called the operator from the phone?
Yes, you did.
How are you? And why don't I connect you to this
One
person
row
over
down.
here?
One row down.
So you
You were
connected
connected
him.
together, yes. You were connected together, but...
I can hear you.
Operator. Operator. Hello. Operator. Hello there. Hello. Hello. Operator, hello. Hi. Do you want me to connect you to somebody? Oh, is that you? Yeah, it is. Let me see if I can connect you. Oh, let me see. Let's try 49 here.
416. Oh, pick it
Yeah.
up, pick it up.
No, stay on the phone, stay on the phone. Okay, now you can talk.
Hi. Hi, Matt. Thanks for calling. I'm Pa.
Oh, Polly. Yeah.
What are you looking for?
What did they ask for?
Bye.
4?
Actually, you can dial 4 from your line,
4, but it,
and it'll go to Whitman.
Maddie.
Operator? Operator?
I think it's just dialing.
Oh, that's why.
Hello?
And that's how the operator knows. There's 5 to 20 days to
Mama took 416 if you want to come back.
So the operator just knows so he keeps track of them. So that if the setting's out, put in 45 cents, she'll know how much has been put in. I know, I find everything about this whole operation to be very clever.
Operator.
Yeah, absolutely. People.
Are you looking for Sheriff Andy? I saw him go down the street just a little while ago.
They just use their imagination.
You can pick up that phone and you can actually see how the call comes in. Yep, and you can look right here on his board. No, watch here. When you pick up the phone, watch what's going on his board.
Right. When you pick up the phone, it comes here. Okay. And so if I were to connect you to those are all on that. Okay. If I were, what can I connect him to and let me see what's actually happening? How about Rockland 305?
I know, I don't know if they're making permission. It's funny.
See now, the way this works is the way this kind of a system works is the way all telephones used to be. There used to be, and the dials didn't really work.
Tayward, you can reach over and connect that, pick up that other line. That's right.
Take your
Yeah.
finger out of the dial so you can hear me. No, keep talking. Pick it up again and keep talking to me. Okay, so now you can hear me.